boats. Okay, you got a barge coming? Let's get in a... We got out at 9, just said.
No, it is. And that is before Marcus said.
First bend in the river.
A lot of little fish.
I got that too. That's what, like barges tie up there. You're in with big boats that have, there's channels.
Right.
And it's not supposed to get too close to those. Cable cars coming up pretty soon.
Yeah, you'll see them going up there. Yeah, you'll see them going up there.
The cable cars. Where we are right now, we're not getting that breeze.
At all. We're gonna have to go east before.
It looks, but that's where that is. You see it on the map. This is that little southwest stretch. And where's that other bank? Then we'll come back to... Yeah, we're getting down there. All it is, it's all in the pace. But he only has to work like 3 days a week. He can take 3-4 days at one time. 8 hours, you have to plan it right, so... That's where the pace comes in. You just check your pace periodically. Man, the wind switched back to the south this week. That's a southeast wind. I remember driving out of there last time. This would be too rough. I'll just get out at the pavilion. We'll see when we get there. looks like we've got a boat coming. There's a barge up ahead. I just like crossing here. It's the shortest distance. Well, I crossed right over to that bank, opposite bank there.
Yeah.
Other side after. Okay, let's hit it. You got that and that.
Love it.
So that's what that boat was probably waiting for. Yeah. So I have to film both sides. I don't see. Okay, you got a barge coming? Anyway, that's the idea, shortest distance. That other cut's coming right up, so we're going to be cutting ourselves.
And then a round shot of the...
We would have been better off really going a little bit further to stop.
It is.
Really, you know what I mean? Can't complain. Go whatever way that I didn't have to fight anything.
Reading about that made sense. One of the guys said, one of the things you got to do.
But since you're good at learning, you're so diligent, because of the wind and currents, we're going to go up ahead so we can drop down into the channel. Watch the boat, wait for it. Yeah. Back, cabbage heads. Back into the cabbage heads. Stop until a boat comes by. I'm gonna get a sip of coffee. The good surf boats. Okay, that's the boat ramp. coming. Bill picked us up. Ronnie and I got off over here on this causeway. It was almost dark, so we couldn't make it to the heading across. Yeah, back into the oysters. Those are live oysters too, so they're sharp like razors.